got bucket hats.
Oh my God.
Let us Texas win a hat.
Hey, no, I got you. What's up, guys, man? We are back here. Another everything regular video, man. It has been a long time coming. I just hopped off the bike. You see my face is sweating, my beard and everything is sweating. But we are out here at Hard Riders Houston event, man. This is like the first day of like 5. So we gonna see what's in here, see what kind of bikes they got going, man, and see what the party is looking like, man. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all know what time it is. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go up, man. Let's see what they got up in this show, man. All right, man, so let's see what we got here, man. Let's see here. We are at Hard Riders, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's steak night up here, man. They got the bikes out and everything. Got the Road Kings, got the new Road Glides. See now, these new Road Glides, man, they've been able to do some crazy little things to them. And they got all the little tuning and stuff for these bikes now. So you should see a lot more faster. Brand new 2024 is coming out. He's got the bars on here with the air breather. I wonder if he got any motor work done to it. But another 2024 right here with the Big Daddy tour pack on the back. Golly. Look at this huge tour pack back here. Thing is huge, man. Let's see who else we got out here, man. Man, where that bike at, man? Where that bike at, man?
What's up, my nigga?
How you feeling?
I'm good, baby.
Good seeing you, man.
Yes, sir.
What's up, man? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man.
You too.
Hell yeah. What's up, man?
Hey, so
how you feeling?
Yeah, you don't come outside no more like that.
Oh, man, I've been out the way.
What's up? That nigga ain't
He said, what's up, man?
What's up, nigga?
Man, I had to take some time away.
Hey, Hard Riders, man. If you ain't here, you ain't nowhere, nigga.
Man, so what annual is this, man?
This our 24th. 25th gonna be stupid.
24th.
Annual, yeah.
So this the first day of like 5 days or what?
First day of 5 days.
Man, we going up the whole weekend or what? You know we in Houston.
We going stupid.
I heard it go crazy down here, man.
Stupid. Nah, you go yeah.
Go, yeah. Look, there we go. That's a welcome back I need right there, man. Okay. Let's see what we got out here, man. Oh God, it's good seeing y'all, man. For sure. Come on, man. Y'all see what time is okay. We're gonna like, look at some nice bikes. He got the oohs and the eyes on this paint, daddy right there. Hard Riders pull it in. They pulling in left and right, man. And it's hot out here, y'all. It's burning up. It's like 8 o'clock, and I'm sweating bullets. We're gonna see what they got out here, though. My guy. Got the lights on that thing. What's up, man?
Hey,
How you feeling? Good seeing you, man. On YouTube.
Yeah,
I appreciate it, man.
I said, boss, I need to catch up with him so I can buy me some more chickens.
It's all good. We gonna get you right. Oh, I'm uploading some more new products in a couple weeks, so I'm working on the next giveaway right now, man. You gotta hold off a little bit for me. Okay. It's all good, man. What's your name?
E, man.
E.
Yeah,
nice to meet you, bro.
E, man.
For sure. I appreciate the support, man.
Yeah, man. I'll be watching every day because I'm sitting at home. I had a bad car accident.
Okay. That means we gotta get you a trike now, man.
Oh, no.
He said no, can't ride the trike, can't do it.
No. I can't wait to get back on them tools.
It's all good. We gonna get you there, man. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I'll be there real soon, man.
For sure.
I can't wait.
That part is good seeing you, bro.
You too, Tony.
Hell yeah.
I got
Likewise.
grab a couple of chickens.
I appreciate that, man. Yes, sir. They on the street glide. What's up, man? How you feeling? Man, another day. What's up, man? How y'all feeling? My guy, what's up with you, man?
How you doing?
Good seeing you, man.
Good seeing you.
Hell yeah. Y'all see me out here. Come on, man. You know what time it is. He put up here on a Ninja, man. You want to race or something, man?
Yes, sir.
You put up on like the fastest bike here, man. What you want to do, man?
Hey, shit, ain't nobody want this.
They don't want to do that?
They don't want this.
I guess I'm the only one who wants to smoke,
Yeah,
huh?
look. Hey, off the line, you might get it, but I'm cocking everything down.
I believe
Cocking
it.
everything down.
I believe, man. Tell them where we at right now, man.
You know, we out here at Hard Riders, man. You know, I'm straight from Cali, though, man.
Come on,
from the Bay.
from the Bay.
San Jose,
Okay.
408 straight down. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Then I got my
What's up, man? How you feeling?
What's going on?
Nice meeting you, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Y'all having a good day today or what? Y'all just found popping out, right?
Yeah, I just got off work, man.
Oh, yeah,
you know what I'm
same.
saying? We was over there off Greens Road, and we just seen all the bikes. I was like, oh, yeah, they're going to Hard Ride.
Oh, yeah, it's up. Okay,
They
then.
gonna pull
What's up,
man?
man? How you doing?
Bro, I've been watching your shit for a hell of long, my God.
Man, we gotta get you a Harley then, man. What's going on?
I'm about to get a road glide, man.
You about to get a road glide? Okay.
Road glide, you know what I'm saying?
Okay, well, we'll get you right.
You know what I'm
We'll
saying?
get you
You
right.
already know, man.
I can't wait to see you on the glide, man. Because you know
I have my
these.
supporter packs, but I didn't bring my.
It's all love, and I appreciate appreciate that, man.
Shit.
Tell me your name one more time, man.
Hey, D-Rock, man.
D-Rock, man. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yes, sir.
It's love. I appreciate the support. Tell me your name one more time. Rhythm?
Yep.
Rhythm with a G?
Nah, rhythm.
Oh, rhythm. I thought it was like rhythm. That's a new word. All right, bet. Nice to meet you, man. For sure. Okay, we got some more road glides out here. We got some Nardo Grays with the big little air breather on there, CVOs and all that. This the one I think this is a 2012. I think that's the one my dad got right there. What's up, man?
Hey, what's up?
How y'all feeling?
Hey,
Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah. What's up with you, man? How you feeling?
Cool.
Good seeing you. What's up, man? Oh shit.
You been all right?
Man, I've been cooling, man. Good seeing you, man.
down here, man.
Oh man, I came to hang with the players
I told
today.
his ass a long time ago, that paint scheme we got, I could have painted for his ass. I just painted this motherfucker.
You painted this one?
Yeah.
Man, let me check you out, man. Where my phone at, man?
I ain't my bucket yet.
Let me go where my phone at, man. Let me see what we got.
I ain't bucket.
I like the color on it. Hold on, let me start from the front, man. It look good.
And the helmet too,
And the helmet to match. Okay, man, y'all tell me if he did a good job, because it's looking real good to me, I ain't gonna lie. I don't see no like smudges, none of that.
Hey, it ain't even up yet.
It look good. So man, what's this gonna cost me, man? A fortune?
Nah.
He said nah.
I got something for you though.
I'm gonna get your number before I take off today.
I
sure.
told you last time, I say, I don't think everything shit clean.
Yeah.
You fuck the Houston niggas.
Nah, it's good. So the real question is, how long you gonna take on this? That's the real question. A week? Less than a week. Okay, I'm gonna hold you to it. Good seeing you, man. Come on, look, they pulling in. It is so hot out here. It is so hot out here right now, y'all. Out here, they pulling in left and right. We got Lynn's Garage out here. Big Rolls Royce stuff. Yes, sir, she's sliding on that thing, man. She ain't playing. Eating at the finest restaurant. Let's see what else we got up in here, man. Let's see what else we got up here. What's up with y'all, man? What's up with you, man? How you feeling?
I'm good,
Good
bro.
seeing you, man. What's up with you?
Good stuff.
How you doing, man? Man, tell them where we at right now, man.
Man, we at the Hard Riders, goddamn steak night, 24th
Houston, Texas.
Houston, Texas.
Come on, man.
Houston, Texas.
There we go.
24th anniversary.
It's about to be a movie.
It's about to be a movie, my guy.
Come on, man. The first of many. The first day of many. We got a whole weekend ahead of us. Let's go up, man. Come on.
Yeah, it is.
Good seeing you, man.
Yes, sir.
For sure. Oh, man, they got the steaks on the grill and everything back here, man. What y'all got back here, man? What y'all cooking up, man?
Look, bro.
Who the man with the plan today?
Look, hey.
You the man with the plan, man?
Butter roll in the kitchen, baby. That's all I got.
Oh, my God. You got that thing flamed up. Let's see if we get it close up. Man, y'all come out hard right now. Everything. Come on, man. You know what time it is. I'm out here with my guys today.
Look, man. We out here.
Hey, it's looking good, man.
Trip what about every Wednesday like this, man.
Every Wednesday?
Every Wednesday.
Hey, man, so y'all know where to come out to Hard Riders event every Wednesday, man. They got steak night, bike night. Y'all see all the fly bikes and everything out here, man. It's here, man. But sure, I'm going to get one of them steaks in a minute, man. I hope it look as good as it tastes. I mean, I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Put it that way. There we go.
Got it, baby.
My guy, I see you, man. For sure. Let's see where we at. I need me like a towel or something. Let's see. My guy. What's up, man?
Good.
How you feeling? Good seeing you. How you doing, love? How you doing?
Good. My sister be in the
Yeah? Okay, man, we about to go up. What's up, man? How you feeling? Another day. Good seeing you, man. For sure. How you feeling? All right. Good seeing you, man. So, I don't want to get copyrighted, but this is the Hard Riders Motorcycle Club. They got the clubhouse, they got the upstairs up there, they got the bar back there. Let's see, we might get a drink or two. But y'all see a few of the people up in here going up. Like I said, I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm trying to make my way through. I don't want to get copyrighted, man. Please don't copyright your boy. What's up, man?
Hey, what's
How you
going on,
feeling,
man?
man?
I appreciate you coming
Hey,
out,
no, it's
man.
love, man. You know I have to come show us off on y'all. Come on, man. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. What's up, y'all? Yeah. What's up, man?
Hey, baby.
How you doing?
How you been?
Good seeing you, man.
What you been up to?
Man, I've been out the way cooling, man.
Yeah?
Hell yeah. Had to bring the bike out today, get that wind therapy in. Yeah, man. Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah, what's up, fool? Yeah, right, man. Hey, I'm cooling, man. For sure.
I'm good.
Let's see, they pulling in, man.
Hey, yeah.
They pulling in still. Left and right. They still pulling in. We got new road glides. older road glides. I guess I got the old road glide now. I gotta step up and get me a nice new built one, man. I gotta step it up and get me. What's up, man? Gotta step it up and get me a nice new big one, man. Come on. Okay, Huntsville Rare Breed is in the house. Huntsville, Alabama is in the house, man. We got Rare Breed in here with us tonight. Let's see. What's up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah. Oh, he on the glide today?
Yeah.
Okay. I knew you was gonna be on the Road King, and you always on the Road King when I see you.
No, I'm in the shop right now.
Okay. He got something getting done to it, man. Y'all see my guy? Pretty old school. Come on, man. It's all good. It's all good. We out here though, Houston Hard Riders, man. We are going up. We are at the motorcycle event. We about to get some good food and all the above, man. So I'm gonna wipe off my face and then y'all gotta come up in here with me so I can see if they got some drinks or something, some good stuff. Let's see what else they got up in this sucker, man. What's up, man? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man. What's up, man? Man, I've been out the way looking for you, man. How you doing? Man, I'm coolin', man. I can't complain. Man, I've been inside. I ain't gonna lie, I had to take a step away.
Okay.
But now I'm back and I'm better.
Okay, you good?
I'm good now.
I like that.
It's good seeing you, my brother.
Don't you good and all that now? Regular man.
Come on, man. You know what time it is. What's up, man?
My guy.
How you doing?
What's up, baby? You good?
Good seeing you, man.
You been all right?
Yeah, I've been coolin'. I can't complain.
I see you moving.
Hey, I'm trying to.
Yeah.
I'm trying to. Let me see what this shop is looking like, man. Let me see, man. We up here at the Hard Rider shop. Come on, man. They got bikes on the stands, more bikes on the stand. Man, any of these bikes in here fast, man? Any of these bikes in here fast, man? What we doing? How you doing? Good seeing you, man. Any of these bikes in here fast, man? They got the road glides, the street glides. We got some stuff on the thing over there, man. So y'all want to get fast, man? Y'all come check them out. They gonna get you right, man. So that's you?
With boots? No.
No?
That can't be Red Breed.
He said, I got cam and everything on mine.
Bullshit.
So
be white bar ride. I give you one there.
So you got the 24 then?
No.
No. What you got done to your bike?
20. Cam, pipe, that's it.
You ain't trying to race?
No, that's slow ass. I got a 475.
I'm just messing with you, man. I'm just messing with you, man. You know, it's like my first day back, man. You know, I gotta see what's check the temperature, man. I've been taking some time to myself, man.
Check this. Look, I've been to all them raffles. Look, I got about $650.
Oh my God.
Look, nigga got hats, stickers,
Look, everything. Look.
Look, I got about 6 of them hats. I got bucket hats.
Oh my God.
All over. Let us Texas niggas win a hat.
Hey, no, I got you.
Look, I love you. Niggas say what they want. I got a club brother that won one of his bikes. Okay. Nigga, I said, I know we know it's real. It's real.
We know it's real.
Nigga can't go support it. I wouldn't support it.
It's love.
Look, I'm $1,000 with the nigga.
He said, I'm almost done, man. You gotta get me right. Nah, it's good, man. I appreciate it for sure. It's love. I'm definitely going to Galveston. I can't wait.
I done told you 2 or 3 times about that beach party.
No.
And I know you ain't made it.
I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there this year for sure.
Hey, we got a whole new spot.
Yeah?
Still on the beach. We got the whole
still on the beach. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to come check y'all out then, man. Yeah, man, they got this 2024 out here looking good on these 2021s, man. That thing is nice. They look like some brand new wheels, tires, everything. They look like they just put this bike together today. Cause these tires don't even look like they got no miles on them, man. Don't even look like they got no miles on them, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the 2024 with the oohs and the ahs on that thing, with a nice seat and tour pack to match. Thing is definitely looking right, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. Y'all see me right now. I am sweating bullets. Literally sweating bullets, perspiring like a mug. It's been a while since I've been out here in this hot heat, but I'm glad the sun has went down so we can enjoy it a little bit more, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We are out here at Hard Riders, man. This is every Wednesday, steak night. I'm probably about to go get a steak or something. I haven't eaten all day. Probably about to go get a steak, go get a little drink or something, and then hang out with my boys a little bit, man. So y'all stay tuned, and let's get this show on the road. Pulled up, all females, they ready to go up. They know what time it is. They know what time it is. All the females put up today, man. Y'all see what's going on. They pulled up with the ooze. They pulled up with the ooze on it. Yes, sir. I see you. I see you now. Bro, I'm trying to see calmly. I see what's going on, man. Right now, we got the bar down here. Come on, man. Tell them where we at, man.
Man, we at A-Side.
Let me see.
A-Side, baby, on north side, A-Side.
Yeah.
Fuck with them hard riders, you know.
Y'all know what time it is, man.
Greensport, League Green.
You know what I'm saying? 4905, Laura Copy, baby.
Man, so we about to be out all week or what, man?
All weekend long.
I hear Houston like they got the turned up is like, you know, party life, everything, and then this weekend just supposed to be one of them ones.
Man, this that
hard
one, man.
rider
You
spot
came to
right
the right
here, man.
one.
You
Yeah.
at one of the
You know what I'm
best.
saying? You want to one of the best black motorcycle gangs it is in Houston,
Man, y'all know what time it
Hey,
is, man.
2000.
Yes, sir.
2000.
Yes, sir.
If you ain't hard rider, you nothing. You ain't nothing if you ain't a hard rider.
Come on, man. You know what time. Alrighty, guys. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. I ain't gonna lie. I had a good time filming with y'all today. We got a whole nother day ahead of us, man, and I'm trying to keep this going back to back to back, man. So if you guys see me out, man, let me feel the energy, man. I can't wait to get back out there and get on my bike, man. I'm waiting for my CVO to get here. Now, the transporter said he was supposed to be here today. However, he had to go do some other stuff. You know how these transporters are, man. So as soon as I get my CVO back, I'm gonna be big popping, big talking and all that. And we're gonna be finding some races, man. So y'all stay tuned. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. It's always love. And it's time to get the rest of this stuff shipped out. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Stay tuned for tomorrow, man. If you in Houston, go to Hard Riders, man. They got the whole weekend sold up, man. So check them out. Y'all know what time it is. I definitely appreciate y'all for having me, man. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.